Hello, this is Theo Marshall from MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Starting at the stern here, we got 40 horsepower, 4-stroke Mercury engine with the boarding ladder here on the port side to get in and out of the boat. To match on the starboard side here, we have the little swim platform where you can jump your cannonballs. We move up the bench here in the middle of the boat. Plenty of room for some full-grown adults to have a seat. Some two cup holders. You'll see the stainless steel rails all around the boat, along with the stainless steel helm with additional cup holders, and a new extra storage compartment which has rubber seal to stop any water getting in, touching any of your stuff. Up here at the bow, we have the anchor hold, which provides an extra storage compartment. So this here is the 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. For any additional questions or information, please contact us at 781-875-3619. Thank you and have a great day.